Hello students, today we are going to start with the chapter number 5, that is arithmetic progression of your NCERT book. Arithmetic progression can be written as AP. Now what is the meaning of arithmetic progression? See, in introduction I have written the definition. Arithmetic progression, it is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term. Means it is a series of numbers, it is a sequence of numbers which it is obtained by adding a fixed number. Like in the series, the next number is obtained by adding some fixed number to the preceding, means to the previous number. So except the first term, all terms we gain after adding some fixed number to the previous number. Like I have taken example of even numbers. This you have done 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. So 4 can be obtained by adding 2 to 2. So 6 can be obtained by adding 2 to 4. 8 can be obtained by adding 2 to 6. So I am adding 2 to all the previous numbers. So that 2 which I am adding in all the difference, one is, this is first difference, again 2, second difference is 2, third difference, the same differences are here. So this series is AP. If the differences are not same, then the series is not AP. Okay, see, the differences all are same, so that is known as common difference. This series is known as AP series. Okay, and each is a term. First term, second term, third term, fourth term and so on. If the differences are not same, if D1 is not equal to D2, then the series is not AP. And the results which we are going to study in this chapter, they are only applicable when the series is AP. Otherwise, the results are not. Okay. Now, this chapter is very useful in our daily life. Like, how it is useful. The series, I may take the series of 4. Listen carefully. 4, 8, then 12, 16 and so on. I may ask you what is the number at 50th position. Within a second you have to judge. You can judge with the help of calculator, you can judge by calculating, but within a second with a few formula or the application of AP series we learn how to judge, how to calculate the numbers at even the 100th position if the condition is the difference remains the same. We will learn all these things in this chapter. How to do the addition of the 1000 terms or lakhs in lakhs, but it should be finite. The term series should be finite. Finite means the ending term should be known to us, and infinite term we will study in +1 only. Okay, how to add all these terms within a second with just formulation or the application of AP series. Now see, I am going to explain you some few general forms of AP. The example I am taking this only, 2, 4, 6, 8. 4 can be written as 2 plus 2. 6 can be written as 2 plus 2 into 2. 8 can be written as 2 plus 3 into 2. See, what I have did, general form, first term to first term. This A is the notation for first term. A is the notation for first term. Now, this is second term, 4 is second term. Second term I have written 2 plus 2 is 4. What I did A, first term, I added the difference. I got second term. Okay. Now come to the third term. What I did, in the first term, I added twice of difference. Okay. And in the fourth term, I added A plus 3 into difference. Difference is 2 in all the cases, so the difference remains the same. It is the first condition of AP series that it should be same. Okay. Now the notation, this A, the first term is known as A or the first term. This A plus D, which I calculated 4, this is the second term. This breaking of 6 into 2 plus 2 into 2, it can be written in the form of variables A. This 2 is A, this 2 is difference. So it is the general form of the third term. Third terms can be written as A plus 2D. Fourth term A plus 3D. So fifth term will be, you can now generalize, fifth term can be written as A plus 4D, means 1 less than this. See, Second term, the coefficient of d is 1. In case of 3, the coefficient of d is 2. In case of fourth term, the coefficient of d is 3. In case of fifth term, the coefficient of d is 4. So 1 less. Okay. Now if I generalize more to this, this is the nth term. This is the notation an. A plus the numbering, the term which I am going to calculate, that is 1 minus 1 is subtracted from that. Instead of 3 I am writing 2. So instead of 3, that is n minus 1 into d. If I am calculating fifth term, it is a plus 5 minus 1, 4d. Okay. So this is the generalization. You have to cram this form, that in AP series the first term is a, second term is a plus d, third term is a plus 2d, fourth term is a plus 3d, fifth term is a plus 4d, and so on. This you have to cram. And this is the formula to calculate nth term. Nth term formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the general form. This is the general introduction of AP series. You have to write all these things in your notebook when you start this chapter. Note down carefully and try to understand. In AP series, the difference remains the same. It is the sequence of numbers. That's it.